In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a page is indexed on Bing. Indexing simply means Bing has discovered your page and added it to its search index, making it eligible to appear in search results. This quick check is useful if you've just published something new, updated an existing page, or you're troubleshooting why a URL isn't showing up in search. The process is simple, accurate, and takes just a few seconds, and you won't need any special tools or accounts to do it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to bing.com. You don't need to be signed in, and this works on desktop or mobile. Once you're on the Bing homepage, click into the search bar. We're going to use a special search operator that tells Bing to look for a specific URL and only that URL. Type the command site example.com page path into the search bar. There's no space after the colon. Now, replace example.com page path with the exact URL you want to check. Copy it directly from your browser's address bar to avoid typos, and keep the path exactly as it appears on your site. Details matter here, including any trailing slash, subdirectory, or query string. For example, page path and page path may be treated differently, and a URL with parameters like refresh news is not identical to one without them. When you're sure the URL is correct, run the search. Now, read the results carefully. If you see that exact URL listed on the results page, your page is indexed on Bing. You can click into it to confirm it's the correct page, but the presence of that URL in the results is the confirmation you need. If you don't see any results at all for that exact URL, Bing likely hasn't indexed that specific page yet. Double-check that there were no typos or missing parts in the URL, and make sure you searched for the precise address you intended. A few notes to keep in mind. Sometimes Bing may show similar pages from the same site, but what you're looking for is an exact match. New pages, very thin pages, or pages that are blocked from crawling may not appear. Indexing can also take time, so if the page is new, waiting and checking again later is perfectly normal. This check doesn't submit your page or change anything on your site. It simply confirms whether Bing already knows about that URL, and that's all there is to it.